These days, adventure bikes are a dime a dozen. Each manufacturer has their own version, so the question is, which bike is best for you? In all honesty, you already know which bike you want, and no matter how many spec sheets you read and how many opinions you hear, you'll still go with your gut feel. There really is no bad adventure bike out there. Here's a quick look at the BMW's Rallye. Upgrades were made to the electronics, including dynamic ESA, ABS Pro, dynamic traction, just to mention a few. BMW made changes to the bodywork, including a narrower fuel tank, and they trimmed back the body shrouds. The BMW Rallye is agile and really well balanced, making tight technical terrain a little easier to deal with. However, you still need the skills. There are any number of off-road training centers across South Africa. The Thala iRide facility here in KZN has its official opening in February. Watch the press for details. I hope you've enjoyed this brief look at the BMW Rallye, and if you've liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe and tag the little bell in order to get more updates.